To add a credit card payment method in WooCommerce, follow these steps to enable secure payment processing on your WordPress website. Install a payment gateway plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for a payment gateway plugin such as WooCommerce Payments, Stripe for WooCommerce, or PayPal for WooCommerce. Click Install Now and activate the plugin. Configure the payment gateway. After activation, go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments. You will see a list of available payment methods. Select the one you want to use, like Stripe or WooCommerce Payments, and click Setup. Enter credit card information. For Stripe, connect your Stripe account by logging in or providing the required API keys. For WooCommerce Payments, follow the setup wizard to link your account and verify your bank details. Enable credit card payments. Once configured, make sure the credit card option is enabled for the selected gateway. You can adjust other settings like payment instructions and currency preferences. Test the payment gateway. Use the test mode to ensure everything works correctly before going live.